Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to care for snake plants. These resilient plants are incredibly easy to maintain, making them perfect for beginners. First, ensure your snake plant receives bright, indirect light, though it can adapt to lower light levels. The key is consistent, but not excessive, watering. Always let the soil dry out completely between waterings to avoid common issues like root rot. A good potting mix is also crucial for healthy growth. Let's dive deeper into watering and light. For watering, a good rule of thumb is to wait until the soil is dry to the touch, about 2 to 3 inches down. This prevents the roots from sitting in soggy conditions, which can lead to rot. While snake plants are incredibly tolerant of low light, they truly flourish in bright, indirect light. This helps them maintain their striking colors and promotes robust growth. Avoid direct, harsh sunlight, which can scorch their leaves. Choosing the right soil is vital for your snake plant's health. A well-draining mix, like one designed for cacti or succulents, will prevent water from pooling around the roots. When it comes to feeding, less is more. Fertilize once or twice during the spring and summer growing season using a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Repotting is only necessary when the plant becomes root-bound, which usually happens every 2 to 5 years, depending on its growth rate. Understanding common issues can help you keep your snake plant thriving. If you notice yellowing leaves, it's usually a sign of overwatering or that your soil isn't draining well enough. Brown tips, on the other hand, might suggest your plant is a bit thirsty or the air is too dry. Remember, these plants are tough, but they do communicate their needs. Also, for other great deals and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.